Welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can actually insert data into database table. Here you can see I have a form in my insert.php file. And inside the form I have three input field. One is for the name, another one is for the email, and the last one is for the submit button. So if somebody click on here, then it will redirect to the same page. Here you can see form action is insert.php, I mean same page, and our method is post. So when somebody actually click on submit, it will redirect to the same page with the field value. Okay, so now I have to accept those values, right? So I have set here a condition. If is set submit button, I mean submit button, if clicked, then we will store name and email in our local variable. Here you can see we have create variable, two variable here, name and email. Name for the name field, here you can see we have name field here, and we have email field. So we will accept, I mean we will store two value in this two variable, and then we just have to connect to the server, right? So I mean our database. So we have mentioned here server, username, password, database name, then we have create a connection. Okay, now our SQL is insert into the table name student, and we have name and email, right? Inside the table we have name and email. So let me show you. Here you can see we have a test db here, and our student, we have three column. One is for the ID, name and email. So ID is auto incremented, so we will add, I mean we will insert name and email only, right? ID will be automatically incremented. So here we have just set two column name, that is name and email. So this name and email will be as same as the table column name and email. Okay, and then we have to set values. So we have to use values, and then curly braces, I mean our parenthesis, first parenthesis, and then we will use these two variable. Actually we store the field name and field email, so we will pass them using comma and quotation, single quotation. That's it. So this is our SQL, I mean query, and then we actually execute the query by a function, that is MySQL underscore query function. And here we actually pass two parameter. One is for the connection, so that it connect to the database, and another one is our SQL, standard query language, and we have stored the value in a variable that is called result. And we set a condition that if result, if we find any result, I mean if our query is executed, then we will redirect to the fetch.php, fetch data. So fetch data is basically for the display the table, right? In our previous video we actually shown it, so it will redirect to the fetch.php. okay, so that's why actually we use header function here, and we set location fetch data.php. so now let's see the result. So we will go to the browser, and here if I refresh, you can see we have two field. One is for the name, right? So we will add Yamin, and we will say here yamin@gmail.com. If we submit, then you can see we have new name here, Yamin. Okay, so this is how actually you can insert data. So I hope you understand. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.